And so we are celebrating all the frontline workers again, as per usual, every Thursday. And we're saying thank you to all those who are feeding us in the supermarkets, and to the nurses and doctors and everyone. Everybody in the street clapping out, not so clapping up so many as has been other weeks. The Cuban rattle. You don't know what to make of that. The doggy, look, the doggy's wagging his tail. Cool. Huh? No. I don't know where what's her name is today. I think they're away. What's her name? What is her? Hayley, yeah, I don't know where. I think they might be somewhere else, I don't know. No, but he has to work because he's... Oh dear.
John's doing it this time. Yeah.
Ground control to Colonel Tom. So, on a day then when Colonel Tom is 100 and managed to collect 30 million for NHS charities, it'd be good if we could sing happy birthday for him as well. Are we nearly done? 1 minute. 1 minute. Oh. Oh dear, it's been a long one tonight. It's still 5 minutes, but 2, 1, hooray! Day to you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Colonel Tom. Happy birthday to you. Hooray!